In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate the pOH and the pH and the hydronium ion or the hydrogen ion concentration using both an iPhone calculator and an Android calculator. Because most people do not have scientific calculators at home, so it's a good way to know how to do it using your phone calculator when you don't have a scientific calculator. So the first thing you need to do, I'm going to do it on both. So it's turn it sideways to access the scientific calculator function. So first I'm going to do it on the iPhone calculator, then I'll do it on the Android calculator. So the problem says pOH is 4.8. What is the hydroxide ion concentration? So when you're trying to find the hydroxide or the hydrogen concentration, on the iPhone calculator, what you're gonna do, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna type whatever the pOH or the pH is. So the pH is 4.8, so I'm gonna write 4.8, and then I'm gonna press the negative key at the top. So 4.8, then the negative key up here by the C, and then I'm gonna press right here where it says 10x. So once you press that, you get this. It's in decimals. So you could turn your calculator like this. Sometimes if it's big enough, it'll give you the exponent, but sometimes it doesn't. So for this one, and when you're trying to calculate scientific notation, all you gotta do is simple, just move the decimal. So if the decimal is right here, you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be, if you round it, it'll be 1.59 times 10 to the negative 5 power. So that would be my answer for that one. So now let's try. Now, on the Android calculator, you can do it the traditional way. You would just put in 10 to the negative 4.8 power, and you get the same answer. You get 1.58. So the only difference is on the Android calculator, they gave us the actual answer without having us having to move any decimals. So if you notice at the end, it has the E -5. So that's the same as when I move the decimal, 1.58 times 10 to the negative 5th power. So that's how you calculate the pH, the pOH in this situation. Now, the second question, so now let's go to the next problem. It says, what is the pH of a solution if the hydrogen ion concentration is 2.5 times 10 to the negative 4 power? So we're gonna do this on the iPhone calculator first. So for this one, when you try to calculate the pH, the iPhone calculator doesn't have a log button where it's just regular log. It has like log 10 and log 1, log 2. So for that, you're gonna just type in the number first, so 2.5, and then you see right here, right where it says EE, you're gonna press that, and then you're gonna type in your exponent. So 4 and then negative, and you're gonna push enter. After you do that, then you're gonna press right here where it says log 10, and you get negative 3.6. Press the negative key again, and that's your answer. So the pH, what is the pH of a solution if the hydrogen ion concentration is 2.5 times 10 to the negative 4? You get 3.6. So now let's do it on the Android calculator. But see, Android calculator is just like a scientific calculator. It has the log button. So you're gonna push negative log, and the parentheses is gonna open up. Then you're gonna actually just type in the number. You're gonna type in 2.5 times 10 to the negative 4 power, and let's see if we get 3.6. Yep, you get 3.6025. So if you look, you get the exact same number. So that's how you calculate it on both the iPhone and the Android calculator. Now let's do one more. It says, this has nothing to do with the calculator. This is just how to, if you don't know how to solve it, this is just for that. What is the pOH of the solution if the hydrogen concentration is 5.7 times 10 to the negative 3? All right, so in this one, they give us pOH, but they want to know what H plus is. So in order to do that, you have to go from pOH, pen not working. You have to go from, you can't just go from pOH to H. You have to go from pOH, find what the pH is, and then change that to H plus. So to find that, we're gonna do it the exact same way. I'm gonna do it on both calculators. You're gonna put 5.7 EE to the negative 3, so 3 negative. I'm gonna get equal, then I'm gonna push log 10 and push the negative symbol. I get 2.24. So on this calculator, I got 2.24. Now let's do it on this calculator. Remember, the Android calculator actually has the log button. So I could just push negative log 5.7 times 10 to the negative 3. All right, so before I even answer this question, I should have just told you in the beginning, it's a little trick to help you. If you look at the exponent, whatever the exponent is, it's usually gonna be, so let's say this is negative 3. So whatever my answer is gonna be between 2 and 3. So I already did it on this calculator and you saw the answer was 2.24. But that's a little trick to help you to see if you're close. But anyway, so I'm gonna push enter on this calculator. Did I type in the right number? I don't think I typed in the right number. Let me try it again. Negative log 5.7 times 10 to the negative 3. Yeah, I typed in 3. That's why I was wrong. I typed in 3 the first time. It was supposed to be negative 3. So make sure you watch that when you're doing like the pH, pOH calculations. It's always going to be the negative exponent. So as you can clearly see, I got the same answer for both of them. But that's the pOH. It wants to know. Okay, yeah, this is the pH. It wants to know what's the pOH. What is the pOH of the solution if the hydrogen concentration is 5. So that gave me the pH. So that means the pH is 2.4. In order to find the pOH, I just take 14, because pOH plus pH equals 14. I just take 14. So to get the answer, I just take 14 minus 2.24. And the answer is 11.76. So the pOH for this problem would be 11.76, and that would be a base or an alkaline. So there you have it. That's how to calculate the pH and the pOH and the hydrogen ion concentration and the hydroxide ion concentration on a calculator, on an iPhone calculator and an Android calculator. So if you didn't know how to do it, maybe this will help you. More videos coming soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Trey T out. Peace.